Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody. Today we will continue our lecture which entitled tunnel construction. Okay. So in this topic we will review about the types of tunnel, the method, and also some profile of tunneling work. So what is a tunnel? Okay, so a tunnel is an underground passageway and it is enclosed except for opening. Okay, it is enclosed but it have opening for access, commonly at each end. Alright, so usually we need tunnel for traffic, canal, hydroelectric station, and it is very beneficial for transportation, for conveyance of material, for disposal of waste, and also for military defense. So I give you some option to cross the waterways. Okay, to cross the waterways, we have several options: immersed tunnel, bored tunnel, and also bridge. Okay, so usually we use bridge when there is no constraint about the land, about the cost. Right, so but if we have some constraint about the space, about the land, so tunnel is much more better option to cross the waterways. Okay, so it is very useful where bridge fail to fulfill requirements like in the sea, in urban area, and in mountains. All right, in the sea, in urban area, in mountains. So we don't no need to prepare a bridge, so we just need to prepare a tunnel. Okay, it is much more efficient, and in wartime it is much difficult to destroy a tunnel, but to destroy a bridge it is too easy. So that's why some of the precaution things in military defense why we need tunnel compared to the bridge. And for tunnel, it is lots of land and time saving. Okay, types of tunnel. So I differentiate the type of tunnel to three. All right, first is mountain tunnel, and then is TBM, tunnel boring machine, which is shallow buried or soft soil tunnel, and the third one is underwater tunnel. So this I bring you the tunneling basics. So it is a rule of thumb. Okay, so there is no such design element to fulfill all of this. Okay, I bring you the ancient tunneling techniques, which is this is the first tunnel excavation cutters. So all of digging material and digging device. So it is a very conventional one. All right. So this is the Roman aqueduct. Okay, before century of 200, and this is the first tunnel boring machine built. All right, by Wilson in 1851. So the tunnel boring machine exists since 1851. All right, and this is the tunnel boring machine in 1900. Okay, for first tunneling, so this is a three basic types of tunnel construction. Okay, so this is the three basic types of modern tunnel construction. We have cut and cover tunnel, which is constructed in a shallow trench and then cover over. So it is usually we need to build or we need to develop a tunnel with just in a shallow trench. Maybe we want to develop a parking space, or maybe just underground shopping complex or like that. And we have a bored tunnel which constructed in situ without removing the ground above. So we use the tunnel boring machine. And we also have the third choice, which is the immersed tube tunnel, which is sunk into a body of water and laid on or buried just under its bed. So this is cut and cover method. All right. So this is the construction site. Okay. Just we need to do the construction at this area. So this is the diverted road. All right. And this is the proposed station box that we need to develop, whether it is a parking space or it is the underground shopping area. Okay. So this is the procedure. All right, the procedure, how we want to develop the proposed station box under the ground. Okay, first we need the retaining wall. Okay, installation of retaining wall. And this is the proposed station box that we need to develop. And then second one is the excavation and installation of steel strut. Okay, this is like the foundation. Okay, the foundation of the structure. Okay, and this is the roof of slab to be constructed. And the third one is the installation of decking. All right, so we need to have the opening. Okay, so this is we need to construct layer by layer. All right, so this is the first floor. Okay, this is the opening, and then at the next stage we have the second floor and the opening, and lastly we need to develop the base slab until it is complete. And lastly, after it's complete, we need to install the side wall and base slab. And finally, after all work is done, so we need to do the backfilling and reinstatement. So we need to backfill the soil so that at the above of the ground, so the activity is conducted as a daily routine. All right, so I stop for 5 minutes.